and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I'm going to introduce a very amazing website. You can download it to App Stores or Google Play, or even continue on the website. I'm continuing on the website. You need to log in with Google ID. I'm using my Google ID to log in. So let's see the buffet of so many tools which are really amazing for teachers. You can see here there is AI PDF summarizer, video summarizer, live lecture note taker, PPT summarizer, podcast generator, lesson plan, rubric maker, writing feedback, professional email, worksheet generator, reading text. Even you can find presentation maker, substitute plan, syllabus, and so on. You can categorize with planning, summarizers, content, review, and communication. Of course, it is impossible to explain each and everything, so I will share some of the most important topics. So let's generate a lesson plan for a topic. Select yes, I want to use AI, and here we go. We need to select any topic. So I wrote my topic, the semantic of model verb phrases. You can click improve this for me. This is really very amazing tool which can make your work easier and better. So you can choose a class duration. I'm selecting 40 minutes. So I wrote additional criteria, focus on writing skills and grammar. Click improve this for me. I'm going to accept that. You can also add your standards. So I wrote Pearson Edexcel A levels. So let's write classroom context. So I wrote students are using laptops and 20 students are in one class. I'm selecting 12th grade. Press generate. Wow, you can see here the learning objective, assessment, key points, introduction to new material, guided practice, independent practice, closing, extension activities, homework, and standard align. To edit this document, you can click on create, and now it's like a document form and you can do editing accordingly. So if you want to change it quickly, like make it more concise or more details or rewrite the paragraph, you can click here easily. You can add your classes here. You can import from Google Classrooms. You can also join Not community. You can click here for members. It's completely free, but you can upgrade for more exclusive packages. I tried and found it really useful, and don't worry, I'll share the link in the description. Please visit and explore and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.